Hi, everyone, this video will provide 3 methods to recover 4K, 8K, HD, or Ultra HD videos for free on Windows 10 and 11. Method 1. Recover HD videos via Recycle Bin. Open the Recycle Bin on your desktop. Find the needed 4K, 8K, HD, or UHD videos there. Select the videos you want to recover. Click the Restore the Selected Items button. Close the Recycle Bin window. Open this PC and navigate to the original location of the target videos. You can find the recovered videos there. Method 2. Recover HD videos via MiniTool Power Data Recovery. Launch MiniTool Power Data Recovery. Choose Select Folder and click Browse. Choose the target folder and click Select Folder. Scan results will be shown by path. Check the box in front of the target files. Click Save. Method 3. Recover HD videos via Windows File Recovery. Type Microsoft Store in the search window. Click Open to open it. Type Windows File Recovery and press Enter. Choose the Windows File Recovery from the result. Click Install to get the app. Click the Open button. Enter the WinFor command following the rule on the screen subtitles. Then press Enter. Type Y. Type a letter according to your need. Type Y to view the recovered files. Thanks for watching. For more information, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.